everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you this play activity set that was sent to me from Great Little Rewards, which is a store that sells craft kits, fidget toys and other fun stuff. The activity kit comes with a reusable tub, air dry clay, pipe cleaners, googly eyes, sequins, tools and styrofoam shapes. You can follow the instructions to make some cute animals, or you can use the clay to make your own creations. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments what you thought of today's unboxing and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching guys, bye!